Hello viewers, in this video we will be seeing how we can easily solve the operations on signals as well as how we can sketch the signals in terms of a CTS type, that is continuous time signal type, especially in GATE exam or competitive exams. This is the signal given x of t with reference to t, where the signal is defined in terms of a triangular shape. So 0 to 4 time interval is given. At 2 it is having an amplitude of 10, and the concept operations on signals, we are knowing different operations what we can perform on signals. It is either in terms of a time shift, time scaling, time reversal, amplitude reversal, or amplitude scaling. So if we look into this problem what is given in terms of 1 to 5, so it is a combination of all these concepts. So if it is in terms of t minus 4, t plus 2 and all, we can see here t minus 1, it is called as a time shift operation. Time scaling, here you can see minus 2t, here you can see minus 3t. So with reference to t, I am having some amplitude. So if I am having amplitude with reference to t, so it is in terms of time scaling. Time reversal, where you can find negation sign, negative sign in terms of t, minus 2t, minus 3t and all. That is called as time reversal, which is performing a mirror image operation. Amplitude reversal, where we have it in terms of a negative value, say minus 2x of t if I want to perform. So this is minus 2, which is called as an amplitude reversal operation. Amplitude scaling, so this 2x of t, so this 2 term is termed in terms of amplitude scaling concept. So let us look into this concept one by one, how we can easily perform. If you go on stepwise analysis, so we have to follow a kind of rule which is called as precedence rule, one of the most important rules in signals and systems what you are going to follow. So when you have a mixture of operation on signals to be performed in terms of time shift, time scaling, time reversal and all, first thing is we are going to do the time shift operation, then we are going to perform time scaling, and then finally we are going to perform time reversal operation. So this is the order which we are going to follow when we are concentrating upon the precedence rule. So if I want to plot the signal, if I want to sketch the signal for the given question x of minus 2t minus 4. So in my last video, if you have seen, you must be able to recognize this in terms of a precedence rule, where you will be plotting the signal first for x of t minus 4 in terms of time shift operation. Then we have to perform the sketch for x of 2t minus 4 in terms of time scaling operation. Then finally we have to perform x of minus 2t minus 4, which is in terms of time reversal operation. So there are three distinct signals which you need to sketch. So to sketch this individual signal, it will take some ample amount of time. So in order to avoid, because in GATE exam you won't be having sufficient time to solve the problem, so you have to manage your time accordingly. So with that point of view, in today's video we will see how we can use shortcut method in order to solve such kind of problems. Whenever you find the questions in terms of sketch the signal or operations on signals, look into the question carefully. So our intention is to convert whatever is given in terms of your brackets. So inside bracket I am having minus 2t minus 4. I have to convert this minus 2t minus 4 to t, that is in terms of x of t. So how I can make this minus 2t minus 4 equivalent to a value of t? So minus 2t minus 4. If I add 4, this minus 4 and 4 term will get cancelled out. It will become minus 2t. If I divide minus 2t by minus 2, minus 2 term will get cancelled out and I am remaining with only t, which is equivalent to a value of x of t. So what I did here, I have added 4 and I have divided it with minus 2. So plus 4 in the numerator side and minus 2 in the denominator part. So this is the addition and this is the division what I am going to do for these signals. So in the numerator I have added 4 and in the denominator I have divided it by -2. So what I will do for the given signal which is going to start from 0 and it will continue till 4. So for all the time durations 0, 2 and 4 I will perform this operation. So instead of 0 it will become 0 plus 4 divided by -2. Instead of 2 it will become 2 plus 4 divided by -2. Instead of 4 it will become 4 plus 4 divided by -2. Numerator it is plus 4, denominator it is -2. So 4 by -2 is nothing but -2. 6 by -2 is nothing but -3. 8 by -2 is nothing but -4. So instead of your 0 interval, now it will be -2. 0 is replaced with -2. 2 is replaced with -3 and 4 is replaced with -4. So how I can plot? The shape of the signal will remain as it is, only the time will change. So instead of 0, now if you want to plot the curve for this, so this is your required signal. This is your independent time variable t. So -1, -2, -3, -4 signal. Instead of 0, it will be -2 now. Instead of 2, it will be -3 now. Instead of 4, it will be -4. So that triangular shape will be from -2 to -4. The amplitude will remain same. So this will be your x of -2t -4 signal. So directly you can state what will be the signal plot, what will be the time duration you want to find out in case of your signal. Just in one plot you can find the end plot. The 3 different plots can be minimized to a single plot, so the time is also minimized. So let us amplitude was given as 10, so amplitude will be made as equal to 10. So instead of starting from 0 to 4, now the signal is from -2 to -4. So this gives you the signal of x of -2t -4. Similarly, we will try to solve the rest of the problems. So second one is I have to find out for the plot given. So this is my x of t given, x of -3t plus 2. So how I can make this -3t plus 2, how I can convert it into a value of t. So -3t plus 2, in the numerator I will do -2. In the denominator I will put -3. So 2 and 2 term will get cancelled out. -3 and 3 will get -3 and -3 will get cancelled out. You are remaining with t. So in the numerator I have used -2. In the denominator I have used -3. So what I will do now, for all these time period 0, 2 and 4, I will perform this particular operation. So instead of 0, it is 0 minus 2 by -3, which is 2 by 3. Instead of 2, it is 2 minus 2 by -3, which is equal to 0. Instead of 4, it is 4 minus 2 divided by -3, which is equal to, this is this is plus 2 by 3 and this is minus 2 by 3. This is instead of 0, I have to replace this. Instead of 2, I have to use this, and instead of 4, I have to use this. So my signal will be something like this. So I am having a plot. This is t, and this will be your x of -3t plus 2. So it is going to have these values. So instead of 0, it is plus 2 by 3. So plus 2 by 3 will be somewhere here, then 0 is here, minus 2 by 3 will be somewhere here. So my plot will be having the same shape signal. Amplitude is 10. So this is the signal plot for x of -3t plus 2. Next we will see the third case. So third case was given in terms of x of 2 multiplied with t minus 1. So this can be rewritten as x of 2t minus 2. How I should make this 2t minus 2 equivalent to a value of t? So in the numerator I will add 2, so that 2 and 2 term will get cancelled out. Divide by 2, so that these two 2's will get cancelled out and we are remaining with t. So what did I do? In the numerator, I have added plus 2. In the denominator, I have used 2. So for the given time signal, I have to add 2 and divide by 2. So 0 plus 2 by 2, 2 plus 2 by 2, then 4 plus 2 by 2. So this is 2 by 2 which is 1, this is 4 by 2 which is 2, and this is 6 by 2 which is 3. So the signal where 0 is there, it will be replaced with, for 0 it is 1 now. For 2 it is anyways equal to a value of 2 itself, and for 4 it is equal to a value of 3 now. So instead of 0 I will replace 1, instead of 2 I will have 2, instead of 4 I will have 3. So let me plot that particular signal. So you have the signal which is going to take a value from say 1. So this is 0. So here it is 2. This value is 1 and this value will be 3. So this plot is for your third problem, which is x of 2 into t minus 1. This is with reference to the independent time variable t, and the shape of the graph will remain same. So from 0 to 4 I had, now it is from 1 to 3, which means that it has been scaled. So here I am having 0 to 4, but here only from 1 to 3. So one particular factor has been scaled in the time. So what I can have here, so for 1 it will start, and for 2 it will have an amplitude of 10, and for 3 it will be 0. So this particular amplitude is equal to 10. So this is the plot for the third question. Similarly, I have fourth question, which is in terms of time scaling. So x of 3t. So how I can make this 3t equal to a value of t? So if I divide by 3, numerator I didn't do anything, just I have divided the denominator in terms of 3. So 3 and 3 term will get cancelled out and you are remaining with t. So for the original time sequence, I have to just divide by 3. So 0 will become 0 by 3, 2 will become 2 by 3, and 4 will become 4 by 3. So this is the concept. So I can have a plot for x of 3t. This is x of 3t, something in this particular way. So it is 0 by 3 is nothing but 0 itself. So this is your 0 scale. This is somewhat 2 by 3, and this is somewhere 4 by 3. This is 2 by 3 and this one is 4 by 3. So from 0 it will start and it will end at 4 by 3, and for 2 by 3 the signal will be having an amplitude of 10. So this is amplitude of 10, and you are having the same shape of the signal in this manner. Last problem is 2 multiplied with x of t. So this is called as amplitude scaling. This is called as time scaling. So for time there is some particular value, but here for the entire x of t you have some particular value multiplied. So this is amplitude scaling. This one is called as, for t you have, before t you have some particular constant value. So this is time scaling. So 2 multiplied with x of t, anyways inside the bracket it is in terms of t itself. So I need not add, or I need not divide here in terms of t in order to make it t, because it's already t itself. Just the thing is, for the given signal x of t, I have to multiply the amplitude. Multiply amplitude by 2. Here amplitude is 2. So for the given signal, if I multiply the amplitude of the signal is 10 in the given question. So 10, if I multiply it by 2, it will give me a value of 20. So my signal 2 into x of t is like this. So I am having 0, I am having 2, I am having 4, and it is having slightly larger amplitude. So this particular amplitude will be equal to a value of 20. So hope this video was useful for you in order to determine, or in order to perform the operations, as well as how we can sketch the signals, especially in a short duration of time, which will be very useful in GATE exam. So hope this video was useful to you. Thank you for watching.